Hey there, Ryker owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our full-size replacement brake pedal for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. One of our most popular selling products for the Can-Am Spyder has been our full-size replacement brake pedal. And now we're happy to announce that we now have a full-size replacement brake pedal for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. This brake pedal is 100% bolt-on with the two provided set screws and is constructed from a rust-proof steel featuring a textured high-density rubber pad. Measuring in at 4¼ inches wide by 2 inches tall, this replacement brake pedal will increase the surface area so that your brake pedal is easily accessible, helping to prevent accidental foot slippage under hard braking. And you'll be happy to know that this brake pedal pad is also compatible with our Commander Series floorboards. Now this installation is extremely straightforward, so now allow me to walk you through the installation process. So first, start by thoroughly cleaning your brake pedal and then let it sit for a minute to dry. Then apply a small dab of removable thread lock to both the set screws. And then partially thread them into the back side of the brake pedal cover. Now just slide the new brake pedal cover all the way over the stock pedal until it stops, and then tighten down the two set screws while holding the pedal cover in place, alternating between both, tightening a little bit each time until they're both tight, making sure not to over tighten. Now, after the installation is complete, we recommend sitting on the Ryker in your riding position to make sure that the new, larger brake pedal is positioned where you want it. And if some adjustments needed, you can simply adjust the Ryker's brake pedal angle by using the built-in brake lever adjustment feature, so you can fine-tune the position of the pedal that best fits your particular riding style. So if increasing the size of your Ryker brake pedal is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.